kind of low key wanted to start New Amsterdam. You think you would like a
No,
hospital show? That
okay.
shit gonna be sad though.
Yeah, no.
I want to see you watch something sad. Cause I want to see people cry.
I don't like sad stuff.
I want to see
There's
people
no
cry.
sad things in the world.